and we start with second. So we start with the Sefer Chofetz Chaim, and the topic today is the same as last time, as we discussed personal information. So last time we said in some cases you're not allowed to keep this personal information. Somebody tells the secret that this person is going to kill somebody or going to hurt somebody in some kind of shape or form. So you must speak up. But in most of the cases, you're not allowed to disclose the private information. Okay, so next one is that's a big one. The lawyers and therapists. The commandment, do not stand aside while your fellow blood is being shed, Vayikra 19:16, presents a major dilemma for the professional whose effectiveness, reputation, and livelihood rest on confidence placed in him by his clientele. Often the client will reveal to his lawyer or therapist information that is being withheld from someone unjustly. So that's the big topic, right? So lawyer knows that this guy is he's a criminal. 1 second, let me turn on the light. Sorry. So he knows that this client of his is a criminal, and he continued to protecting him, which is not right, but that's what he does. Right, because otherwise this client of his is going to sue him, or this therapist. Whenever possible, therapist must convince his client that he has a moral obligation to divulge such information to the proper party. Where appropriate, the client should be made to understand that despite the consequences, he will experience a sense of relief after having revealed the information. Moreover, by being honest and open in his personal life, one is able to develop a more positive self-image. So I mean that's advice for a therapist. Of course, he's not allowed to, by law at least, right, to disclose this private information, but he can. He can manipulate in some sense, right, by his client, and make him to do it himself, to reveal the information himself. Okay. Should the client persist in his refusal to divulge such information, the proper party, the lawyer or the therapist may be faced with a painful choice of either allowing a destructive relationship to materialize or possibly jeopardize his livelihood and reputation. So that's a tough choice. So a Jew should not be in any of these positions. Right? Consulting with a competent halachic authority is a must in such a situation. This would also apply to a physician who is aware that a chronically ill patient is seeking to marry. When bringing such a matter before halachic authorities, one should not mention the names of the party involved unless it's absolutely necessary. Right? So he knows this guy is very, very sick, or this girl is very, very sick, and now she wants to marry, and the other party has no idea about it. Right? So that's a tough choice, but technically the doctor is obligated to step up and step forward and reveal the information. So I would say maybe it's smarter for a doctor not to know, not to be very close to his patients. So in this case, I have no idea that he's getting married, his daughter is getting married. I mean, how do I know? Okay, so we stop here.